So I just replaced this HDMI port on this PlayStation 5 here, looking good. However, the drive doesn't accept any discs. Let's go ahead and fix it together. The drive is right here, easily extractable. And we can see here the customer try to play with it. We got it out here. You can automatically see it here. It's bent right there, the shell. Oh, noodles. And yeah, this thing is bent out of shape. Wow, what a disaster here. This thing right here is the worst, flimsiest piece of shit that Sony has ever designed. The second it gets bent, it's over for the drive, and now we have to straighten it out somehow. And this will return if they keep on misusing the PlayStation. Okay, I straightened it as much as I can, put it together. Let's test here. It does turn on, and it is kind of taking the disc, okay. Alright, let's test it here. Nice. It takes it. It spins, it reads, perfect. Let's try to eject. Yeah, and it has some weird thing right here. Just gotta hit it, okay. And that problem is because this little thing has to be so perfectly aligned, and it's so hairy. How could you create something like that on a drive, you know? Make it a little sturdier. This is really bad. I don't think I'm gonna be offering this repair service to any of my customers. You know why? These drives will return back with the same problem, and I'm wasting my time here. So I don't think I'm gonna be repairing these drives. I really have a hunch that Sony wanted you guys to go digital. So I got it here to accept the disc. It actually goes in, and it does spin. And I'm trying to eject it here, and it's ejecting fine. But I know for a fact that this thing is gonna come back.